Okay guys, so I decided that I will show you how to use this Scotch self-seal laminating pouches. Now I did do a video on this some years ago, but I decided to do an updated video with some closer angles and better lighting so that you can see exactly what I am doing. Okay, so I have a print here that I want to laminate. So you take your laminating pouch out. Okay, so this is the laminating pouch here. All right, so what you're going to do is we're going to open it like this very carefully, because this part here, you don't want to get this part dirty, because this is the part where your print is going to go. Okay, so we will open it like this. We're going to press it down. Okay, you see where it has that yellow strip here? We need to press this down like this. Okay, we need to get this flat down with the yellow strip being exposed where you see. Remove this strip first. Okay, well, that's what you need to see, because if you notice, you will see a black line here and you will see a black line here. That's where you have to fit your print. Your print has to go between these two black lines. Okay, so I have my print here. So what I'm going to do is rest it down, and we're going to line it up, like I said, between those two black lines. You see that? These black lines here, right? We line it up between these two black lines. Now that we have done that, and I'm pushing it to the edge, I'm going to remove this yellow strip. Okay, so you peel away the yellow strip like that, and then you go from under and you press down. What I'm doing here is pressing it down here. That's where the yellow strip was. It's now no longer there because I removed it. And so I'm pressing down now with my finger, because where that yellow strip was had an adhesive. So when I press it down, I'm now adhering I'm literally holding the print in place now, because of me removing the yellow strip and pressing it down. Okay, so what you need to get, I should have told you this before, is that you want to get something like a ruler or a cardboard like this. This is a painting I did. Of course, I'm sure you recognize it. But this is a canvas board, so it is hard. Okay, so if you can get a ruler or a backing, for a picture frame that is firm, or like a canvas board, then what you do is, after you press down, you're going to get your ruler or your hard board that is about this size. You're going to bring it behind here. You're going to lift. Well, you don't even have to lift. Just by falling back this piece here, I can take my canvas board here, or my ruler, as the case may be, and push from behind. And by pushing down, you see that? I don't know if you can hear it. But by pushing, I am actually pushing. This here is adhesive. This back piece here is adhesive. I am pushing the adhesive now down with firm pressure to prevent any air bubbles from the back. You see that? So pushing it down, you just continue pushing like this. See that? So I did all of this. See that? I'm doing like this. Right? I'm pushing it. Okay, so you just continue pushing. Okay, I'm gonna flip it over like this to the side. Okay, I'm gonna make sure everything is in shot so everybody can see what I'm doing. So I'm turning it on this side, and I'm holding my board like this. Let's come up a little bit so you can see. So I'm pushing, right? And just continue pushing until you have sealed it. And there you go. You have now sealed your print in your laminated pouch. So I just decided to do an update on this video. Like I said, I did a video on this years ago, but when I did it, the lighting wasn't so good. I didn't have multiple angles. So I just decided, let me do an update so that I can show you exactly how to use this Scotch self-seal laminating pouch. I hope the video was helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye for now.